Fucking hell.
What a loser. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. You did it.
Italian tile specials 17% off in-store and online. 7 days only at Beaumont's while stocks last.
Gosh, man.
I think he should put it in his asshole.
Yeah. Bloody hell. I just went past me going about 200 k's an hour. That's crazy.
You're in the car, obviously.
Yeah, I'm just driving back.
What the heck?
What are you doing?
Smoke crack, don't you? It kills your brain cells, son. It kills your brain cells.
Red light runner. Wow. Holding up traffic and now he's in a hurry.
Denied.
Fuckwit.
Met with his Chinese counterpart.
pulled that out of the truck.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Up her anchor, she went off with her consort to pull back round Seminar Point to rejoin Renown. In the ship they would be most desperately short-handed until the launch's crew should come on board again. From the trees to which it was secured over Bush's head, the rope hung down to the buoy, neglected unless it should be needed again. Bush hardly spared it a glance. Now he was free to walk up to the crest and prepare for action. A glance at the sun assured him that it was less than 3 hours since sunrise even now. He organized the final carrying party and started up to the crest. When he reached it, the bay opened below him. He put his glass to his eye. The 3 vessels were lying at anchor within easy cannon shot of where he stood, and when he swung the glass to his left, he could just make out, far, far away, the 2 specks which were the flags flying over the fort. The swell of the land hid the body of the building from his sight. He closed the glass and applied himself to the selection of a level piece of ground on which to lay the timbers for the platform. Already the men with the lightest loads were around him, chattering and pointing excitedly, until with a growl...
Come on, dude! It's green!
The hammers thumped upon the nails...
Yeah, good on you. Come on, let's go.
...nailed into position on the timbers. No sooner had they ceased than the gun carriage was swung up onto it by the lusty efforts of half a dozen men. They attached the tackles.
Boy, that escalated quickly. I mean, that really got out of hand fast.
You mean old bastard? I want...
Double lines.
On Heron Island, which is only 400 meters across.
Yeah, no, that's...
And you walk from one end of the island. Oh my god!
Got that on dash cam.
Again in 20 minutes.
Goals 104.3.
Listen live on the
4.3.
Listen live on the iHeartRadio app.
You too could feel what it means to win a share in Tats Lotto's $30 million.
Let's go through a red light.
27. Find the perfect music station to suit all your moods. On Listener, download the free app now and search music.
More music in the morning.
Oh, Conrad, we got ourselves a flat tire. Get out and check your side.
Rough band can do. Here it is. Now.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
3 degrees here, and then it was...
Merry Christmas.
It's a special. Nice holding you. Love the candy apple red.
Tomorrow will I be gone?